Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be talking about Internet Computer. We'll be going through Internet Computer's use cases, its current market performance, and the latest Internet Computer news headlines. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on for daily crypto news. So what is Internet Computer? dfinity, the not-for-profit scientific research organisation based in Zurich, Switzerland, has been working on creating the first blockchain-based solution running at web speed with the ability to increase capacity infinitely. Called the Internet Computer, it will be able to host infinite apps and smart contracts while storing any amount of data. dfinity's creation of the Internet Computer aims to generate the next generation of open internet services and software services. The current internet runs on IP or Internet Protocol. However, dfinity is introducing a new standard they call IPC, or Internet Computer Protocol. The new IPC system will allow developers to move not only data across the internet, but actual software platforms as well. The development of the IPC system allows created software and apps to freely move to any server on the network. With dfinity, these servers exist in independently owned data centers scattered around the world. This technology will allow apps to run without a dedicated server owned by Alphabet or Microsoft. The bypassing of servers controlled by Alphabet or Microsoft will, in theory, allow apps to run potentially anywhere. Apps created on the IPC system will ensure apps are neither owned or controlled by the server controllers. The independent data centers that run the dfinity network will be compensated in tokens for running the code on their servers. However, they don't have access to any of the data, making it impossible for them to collect and sell data to third parties like advertisers. This will return the ownership of private data to the private individuals. IPC tokens have several use cases, and one of its primary utilities is as the medium of payment for data centers and servers. In order to use the IPC protocol for the installation or running of an app, it is necessary to pay a gas fee in tokens. This fee is then passed on to the data center servers that are running the apps. The amount of gas for any transaction is determined by the instructions that may be executed and the amount of data processed and stored. Tokens will also be used to provide governance for the protocol. This is the same as the concept of mining, but rather than simply paying to secure the network payments, they are being made for processing power. The Network Nervous System, or NNS, is the autonomous software that governs the Internet Computer. It manages the entire system, from the network structure to the economics of the network. It is hosted by the network and is an integral part of the protocols used to create the Internet Computer blockchain. In terms of governance, the NNS is there to put any proposals to a vote. Voting is made for such activities as adding new nodes or expanding the network. Votes are cast by the IPC token holders who have decided to lock up tokens to enable voting rights. In addition, the NNS will be responsible for creating subnets by combining the nodes from independent data centers. The NNS continually monitor the capacity of the network and also add nodes and subnodes as required. This behavior allows the Internet Computer to scale infinitely. A subnet is a unique blockchain configuration within the Internet Computer that is capable of integrating with other blockchains to increase the capacity of the entire network. Subnets are created when the NNS combines nodes, and the subnets are used to hold canisters, which are a type of smart contract. The system is thought to be more secure than traditional blockchains because they have the decentralization of data, and computation controlled by the protocol is more precise than leaving it to chance. Pooling, as is found with traditional proof of work and proof of stake blockchains, is not possible. This avoids having validator nodes with huge amounts of stake that create the majority of blocks. Subnets are able to interact with each other through the use of the unique chain keys that are part of the unique cryptography developed by dfinity. So how has Internet Computer performed on the market? Internet Computer is currently the 21st ranked cryptocurrency with a market cap of over $4.9 billion and currently has a circulating supply of 134 million coins and a maximum supply of over 469 million coins. Upon its advent in May 2021, Internet Computer has experienced a range of prices. The ICP token debuted at a price of $580 in mid-May. Its price since has had a downward trajectory, with its current price at $37.55 at the time of recording. Internet Computer's impressive and unique fundamental features has led to a number of exciting stories. CanCan, a decentralized video sharing social networking service that lets people stream and share videos onto their mobile devices directly from the internet. The dfinity Foundation developed the sampled DApp to demonstrate the ability of the Internet Computer. CanCan shows that developers can build open, decentralized apps on the Internet Computer. What are your thoughts on Internet Computer? What price could Internet Computer reach in 10 years' time? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.